to walk you through how to take advantage of this opportunity for those of you that wrote JAMB in this year. Of course, you already know that many of you have been sending me messages because you have not seen your JAMB results. Many of you wrote and also you did not do very well. For those of you that have not seen your result, there's an opportunity for you to rewrite your JAMB. And the news just broke from JAMB that they have rescheduled the JAMB 2024 UTME exam has been rescheduled. I want you to pay attention to this video. Follow me through, watch from the beginning to the end so that you will get all the information, so that you will know how you can rewrite your JAMB. You don't need to register again. The body, JAMB as a body, has said 224,535 candidates who searched for 2024 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination have been rescheduled to retake the examination. If you search for the exam, you have not seen your result. About 24,535 of those that searched for the exam have been given the opportunity to resit for the exam. Remember, it doesn't mean you have to register again or you have to pay again, but there are just a few steps for you to follow. Just follow me. The statement signed by JAMB spokesman Dr. Fabian Benjamin on Sunday, that is 2nd of this month, June, stated that the decision to reschedule the exam was prompted by substantial non-compliance with the board standard in the affected candidates examination center, because they believe there was something that happened in the center, so they are rescheduling the exam. Now, before we continue, I want you to do a few things. I will guide you. Of course, I can send you the materials you need, the link you need to rewrite the exam. If you need past questions on JAMB, if you need syllabus on any of your subjects, if you need tutorials, past question classes, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and I will send you all the materials like JAMB syllabus for all your subjects, like past questions, and I will keep guiding you towards the exam. You know many people fail, so that you will not join those that fail. So do 3 things. Like this video. Just boop the like button immediately. Once you like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just subscribe, then comment. When you comment, also share the link of this video. Share it so that more of your friends that are affected will benefit. 24,535 candidates have been rescheduled to retake the examination in their choosing examination towns on Saturday, June 22nd. By 22nd of June, that is barely 19 days from now, or a few days from now, you can have the opportunity to resit for your JAMB. June 22nd, I want you to note this. The rescheduled candidates are to print. Look at what you have to do. Step 1. Print the supplementary examination notifications. If you don't know how to print it, subscribe to this YouTube channel and tell me that you have subscribed, and I will guide you on how you can reprint. Slip here. The scheduled candidates are to print the supplementary examination notification slip from Tuesday, 4th of June, to ascertain their designated examination center. So you have to reprint your slip to know the particular center JAMB gave you for your receipting. The rescheduled examination, which is taking place on Saturday, 22nd June 2024, 2 weeks from now, is to give affected candidates adequate time to prepare for the examination. So they gave you people adequate time to prepare. You have about 2 weeks to prepare for the exam. If you have not watched this video, you may be watching this video and you don't know how to even check your JAMB results. Maybe you are not even writing, but you don't know how to check your JAMB result. Go over to our YouTube channel, find this particular video, how to check your 2024 JAMB result. If you don't also know how to check it, once you subscribe, just type under the comment and say I have subscribed. Then tell me to send you the link or the code to check your JAMB result, and it will be sent to you immediately. This notice does not concern candidates whose results have been released. If your result has been released, no problem, no issue. You are not receipting for the exam. It is only those whose result has not been released. Many of you that have been calling me, many of you that have been sending me messages on WhatsApp, many of you that have been commenting that you have not seen your result. This is the opportunity. So if your result has been released and you have seen your result, There's no need to for this rescheduled exam. It's only for those whose result has been hanging. The board explained that the supplementary examination are for 20,550 candidates whose results are up till now under investigation and 2,702 candidates whose fingers could not be verified. These are the number that made up the number. Other candidates for the examination are 3,633 students of the Kwara State College of Arabic and Islamic Legal Studies and the Kwara State University, KWASU, who did not participate in the exam based on the assumption that they will be accommodated in the 2024 direct entry exercise. Remember, as you have these 2 weeks to prepare, I encourage you to join our online study group on WhatsApp. So, study WhatsApp group, invite you. So I will send you the link. What you just need to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel, come under this video. Remember, I said like this video, subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel right now. Come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Then request to join our online study group. You will see many other people also in the group. If you have not, sorry, if you have not checked your JAMB results, or if you want to know how to check your JAMB results, go over to our YouTube channel and see this particular video, how to check your JAMB results. For those of you interested in direct entry, I made this video in the channel for you. Go over to our channel and look for this breaking news, JAMB Extend direct entry result. It's available on our channel right now and you can go ahead and watch it. I wish you all the best in your exam. Remember, like I said earlier, you can join our study group, online study group, where others are preparing for the exam. You can watch this video on how to check your JAMB result. If you need any help in any way concerning this JAMB, if you need syllabus, if you need any material, if you need past questions, if you need tutorial, if you go over to our YouTube channel, you will see that we have done a lot of tutorials and classes concerning passing your JAMB. So go over, like this video, subscribe, share this video, then comment that you have done those things and I will begin to help you. I wish you success.